and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Instead of French toast today, what we're going to do is pizza. Our family favorite French toast, which is chocolate peanut butter cup. Hi there, and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. And on this episode, I am so excited to announce that we have a special guest, Mr. Charles Chudabala. Charles?
Hello,
How you
my
doing,
friend.
man?
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Good to see
Thanks
you.
for inviting me. I love your setup.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you've watched the show exactly what we do, but we have been making some advances in the creation of French toast.
Oh, I love innovation. Yes.
Yeah. And
Yes.
today we have a really, really special French toast.
Okay.
Just for you.
Oh, just for me.
Just for you.
All right.
We invented this right after me and you got off the phone. And we invented this, and this is going to be super, super special. It is going to be a bacon, egg with avocado French toast.
Wow. That
A little bit
sounds
of
like
cheese to
yeah.
kind of hold it together.
Happiness already happening for me.
Right?
I can't wait
Right?
to see it all together. I can't wait to see it. I know that you are going to bring this delicious delight to life, as you do with every movie that we work on together.
Right. So me and Charles have worked on a couple of years, year and a half now, several projects together. There was a project that we worked on that I actually wrote and directed for Screamfest that you helped us with. You came in and you gave us some amazing talent. The Crossing.
Yes. I'm excited about that.
And that one is, well, without your stunts, without a few broken eggs, we could not have made the omelet. So
That was really good because of the eggs.
right. We have to, without the eggs.
That's me, everybody.
Yeah.
So I heard a little crack.
So that is this is just a huge thank you. I know you wanted money or you wanted some special credit. No, I'm going to make you a sandwich.
Oh, thank you. This is I couldn't have asked for this. Actually, I didn't. but thank you. We are
in your
crossing.
contract. Fine print in the contract. And also,
Thank you.
And also, and I'm just going to cut you off. There's also no way that we're going to get to our food if we don't get started.
All right. So yes, we got to get these shots, Tom. We got to get these shots.
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
Right.
All
Okay.
right.
Good. So basically, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to tell you what I'm going to concoct.
Okay.
You can watch it. Make sure I don't poison it.
Okay.
And then you
which
get to taste.
which I'm good at. I've done that before. I've had to.
Very, very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to start with buttering the bread.
Okay.
And the reason why I'm going to butter the bread, and I'm going to do a little bit extra there, but the reason why is because if we don't butter the bread, we're not going to have anything to hold it together.
Gotcha. So it's like glue.
This is actual glue, yes.
Right. It's actual.
This,
Have you ever had glue before? I ate it.
when I was younger, in my 40s, my 30s, eat glue often.
Yeah, I prefer paste. It's got a minty finish.
It does.
But very in the nasal.
It does. Okay, so French toast. All French toast, we have to have an egg.
Yes.
And we will start with...
Beautiful egg.
Thank you.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you. Yeah, we ordered this special just for you.
Oh, thank you.
And so what we're going to do is we're going to beat the egg like maybe we beat you in the Crossing.
Spoiler.
Oh,
Spoiler
maybe.
alert.
No, we
Possible
didn't.
Spoiler.
No, we
not
didn't.
spoilers here. The only non-spoilers, that the eggs are not spoiled.
The eggs are not spoiled, right?
Yeah,
and we're
yeah.
using fresh bread.
We're using fresh bread, exactly.
So
right.
what we need to do is we need to take our we have our mixture, our egg here, and we need to layer in. And what I want to do is I want to put a cheese, and you like cheese, right?
I do like cheese. Like, who doesn't love cheese? Well, I mean, actually, don't let they're going to come after us. The people, they call them cheese haters because they hate cheese.
And they have a club.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh,
and so this is actually cheese hater friendly cheese, which is good for our show.
That's right.
So we're going to take a couple pieces of cheese. That's going to add as an additional layer of glue.
Cool.
And then we're going to put some bacon.
Oh.
Right.
You're trying to make me happy.
I am trying really hard to make you happy because you were able to fight off traffic to get here. So I appreciate that. And then after we put in some perfectly cooked bacon, we're going to add in one more piece
He's going
of
to
cheese.
do it.
He's going to do it. I'm going to do it.
Another cheese.
We have to have another cheese. And the reason that this was actually an afterthought for right now. So there we go.
Oh my God, it's so nestled.
Right.
Just so I could say the word nestled on camera.
That is
but it is nestled.
We never get to say nestled on camera. We don't. And then we're going to take our fried egg.
Oh, look at you. You're prepared today.
Movie magic.
That's amazing.
We're going to lay that in like so. And that's going to give us our sandwich-esque piece to our French toast.
God.
Give it a little. Do you hear the
crunch?
crunch? Did you hear it?
Yes. I'm so satisfied right now. If everybody could be as close as we are right now, you all would be satisfied too. You'd be pressing it the way that he is right now, starting gently, and then once you hear the crack, a little bit more
crunch,
firm.
Yeah. And then you know at that point that you have reached the perfection. Okay, so the reason why we have to put in the pressure is because once we dump it into the egg mixture, if we don't have it glued well together, it's going to fall apart. And that's always bad. All right. So yeah. So make sure that we
I could eat that just like that.
No, you can't, because this show is cooking with so
it's important information.
It's not just, sandwich.
That's right.
It's a different show.
You got another show? How many shows do you guys? He's got a lot of shows.
We should have a sandwich show.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to put that in here about 10 seconds on that side. We're going to flip it over in the egg mixture, and then it's going to absorb the rest of this. And then I'm going to waltz over to the stove.
And I'm going to shimmy over to the stove.
So I'm going to start with a butter-flavored pan spray, but we are going to lift out the perfect mixture and lay it right in the center, and then pour the rest of the egg right on the top.
Ooh.
Okay? Give it a little poke.
Yeah. Nothing goes to waste.
No, not in this kitchen.
That's a lot of absorbing, like you were saying. Like, I could see it being sucked through the sandwich.
Right, right. And a lot of people can't. They can't see that. That's because you've got a keen eye. Yeah, you've got a keen eye to egg absorption, which is great. All right, so I usually go about 20, 30 seconds on both sides.
Okay.
And once I get a nice little bit of top secret cooking of the overspill of the egg, then I think that's about time to flip it.
Yeah. Kind of like fried rice. Well, I mean, not exactly like fried rice, but I know that with fried rice, it also involves a cooking of an egg. And sometimes the egg will get cooked with the fried rice.
Should we put the fried rice in the French toast?
Sorry, just like messing up the
so
recipe. But no, this is awesome.
Because this is a special Charles Chudabala French toast mixture.
Yes.
If you need me to add fried rice, we got to go to commercial.
Awesome. Okay, great. So it's customizable. All of these recipes are customizable.
You can add a few things. You can add a few things if you need to, or subtract them. But we feel that we've added everything that you need to make a perfect meal.
Oh my god! You guys, this looks amazing. This looks and smells delicious. That egg on top, though, with that brownage. Wow, that's the color of perfection for sure. Yes. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh. There's that crunch again.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to garnish this with our avocado.
Oh man.
Put a little avocado slices on top.
Now, Tom, did you just always know how to cook and present things like this? I mean, was this something that you always were passionate about and creating? I mean, you've always been creating, but I've never asked you, like, where you developed this affinity for putting things together.
Well, I do like food. And if you don't make it
Wow.
look good, then you haven't
Wow.
completed your job.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Look
All
at
right,
that.
so
That's beautiful.
if you want, you can actually taste this.
Can I?
You actually
I'm
can.
so excited, guys. I get to try this right now. I want to get a good part that has the avocado in it as well. Just pick it up right here with my hands. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could. I wish there was smell-o-vision on this camera right here. You guys see that?
There should be.
Oh my god. And I'm just gonna.
You like that?
Oh my god. Tom, get this into post-production right now. You guys, it's savory. I mean, the egg is the perfect amount of runny and also fried at the same time.
Nice,
But you know
nice.
what really helps this? It's that butter.
Nice.
You guys, I'm gonna try and convince you guys. I don't know if you'll believe me, but the butter in that pan, mixed in and blended with the egg glue, gives it this kind of buttery finish that I can't describe. It's something very panini-ish about this. Yeah.
Nice.
You've never had
nice.
a French toast like this before. I wouldn't even consider this French toast, but dude, thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
All you do in all the projects that we work on together is amazing, and
Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah.
and thanks for coming on the show.
Well, I look forward to the next Thomas Haley production.
Nice, nice.
And yeah, I'll be back whenever you need me to try something.
All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for stopping by. And if you look down in the comments below, we'll have actual ingredients if that's helpful for you. And tune in next time, and we'll show you some more recipes that you can make with French toast on Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley.